In this video, we are going to talk about how you can do digital marketing of your business using Instagram. So if you want to promote your business online using Instagram, then this video is for you. Now we have already covered how to use Facebook to promote your business online. If you have not watched that video, you can check that in the I button above. Now we already know that Instagram is also owned by Facebook. So there is a huge base of audience or potential customers that you can target by your digital marketing strategy. But the marketing strategy that you use on Facebook will not work on Instagram because that's a completely different platform with a completely different algorithm. So here are a few things that you can do to market your business online on Instagram. So that starts with the step number 1, that is creating a business account on Instagram. Now there are two kind of profiles that you can create. One is your personal account and second is a business account. You need to create a Facebook page and then link your Instagram account to that page. With that, you will be able to track all the advanced analytics and insights about your Instagram page. So if you are planning to use Instagram for your business, then it's highly recommended you create a business account. And once you do that, and once you create that business account, then comes the step number 2, that is optimizing your profile bio. Now this one is going to make or break your brand identity. If someone is going to follow you, they will first definitely going to read your bio, and if that is not promising, then you are going to lose that follower. So make sure you spend a lot of time with writing that short bio, and that should be very catchy and should attract your potential audience. Now once you are done with this, then comes the next step is to follow influencers in your category. Now whatever type of business you want to promote on Instagram, make sure you find out all the influencers or the big accounts in your category and make sure you follow them. Now there are two reasons that you want to follow them. Number 1, you will get an idea about what kind of content they are posting. And number 2, if they are influencers, then you will be able to know how they are doing the brand deals and doing the brand collaborations so that you can also do that in future or maybe create some similar kind of content for your business account. Along with that, once you follow these individuals or influencer accounts in your category, make sure you try and spend some time and engage with their latest posts. With that, you will get into the conversation with them. You will be getting a little bit of exposure in their audience. So make sure you follow all these big accounts in your category and then spend some time in engaging with their content. And then comes the next step, that is deciding your own content type. Now Instagram is a platform which is updating very fast and they are introducing new things to the platform. So right now Reels are doing great. So definitely you need to use Reels so that you can grow fast. Other than that, there are single post or single video posts that you can do. And there are a lot of other things that you can do with Instagram. And Instagram is a platform that likes users using most of their features or the content types. And so the more you use the different content types, the more algorithm will push your content to the audience that you like to target. But if you want to grow fast on Instagram, make sure you use Reels or anything trending in the Reel category. Now you don't have to show your face in order to create these reels. You can go ahead and look for faceless reel ideas and do that for your business. And then comes the next point, engage your audience. Now Instagram or any other social media platform do not like one thing, and that is sending their audience outside the platform. And in Instagram itself, you get only one bio link, and now you can put up links in the stories as well. But that should be used in a very limited way because, as I said, no social media platform want their audience or their users to get out of the platform. Make sure you plan your content or marketing strategy in a way that people want to stay on the platform as long as possible. So make sure you try to build audience on the platform itself and then smartly send them to your product or services offer. The longer you keep people on the platform, the better algorithm will work for you. So these are some of the steps that you can take to grow your business online on Instagram and make some digital marketing strategy for your business on Instagram platform. So if you have any questions regarding Instagram marketing or digital marketing in general, then feel free to to ask us in the comment section below. If you like this video, then make sure you hit the like button, and to watch more videos like this, make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so that you can get notified whenever we upload our next video. And if you need any expert help for your next WordPress project, then you can contact our WordPress experts using the link given in the video description below.